Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rishikesh Zandrale and I make videos related to MS in US. Today I will be talking about the exams related to higher studies such as GRE, GMAT and similar exams, and this will be the second video of the roadmap series that I am making. So without further ado, let's get started. When anyone is planning for higher studies, the very first step that anyone has to take is exams. For example, if you are preparing for MS, the very first step you will be giving is two exams basically, because the basic qualification for most of the colleges are these two exams. First is GRE, that is graduate record exam, and the second one is the English proficiency test. For English proficiency test, there are multiple options such as you have TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo test. So basically these are some types of exams that you need to give when you are preparing for your higher studies, and we will be talking about such exams in today's video. So talking about masters in US, so very first exam that you will be giving is GRE, that is graduate record exam. This exam consists of three sections, that is analytical writing, the quantitative reasoning section and verbal reasoning section. And the second exam is your English proficiency test. English proficiency test has multiple choices such as IELTS, TOEFL or Duolingo test. GRE and English proficiency test are two basic requirements before you apply for MS in US. So these exams test your ability to perform in a foreign country, that is in that colleges, if you are capable of doing those courses or not. So after you have given this exam, the next steps comes into the picture. And for further higher studies such as for PhD or if you are planning for MBA, you need to give other exams as well. In case of PhD, you can give GRE and a single English proficiency test, and that would be enough. In case of MBA, you need to give GMAT instead of GRE. So these are some basic requirements in form of exams that you need to complete or fulfill before you can apply for higher studies in US. In case of GRE, I have made multiple videos regarding the structure of GRE and how you can prepare for GRE, basic tips and tricks that you can use to tackle all the problems in GRE, as well as my personal experience with GRE. Also, I have made videos regarding TOEFL as well. That is my what is the structure of TOEFL, how to tackle each and every question in the exam, tips and tricks for the TOEFL exam, as well as my personal experience with TOEFL. So don't forget to watch these videos for getting better understanding of topics on GRE as well as TOEFL. You can check out these videos regarding GRE and TOEFL on my channel, and also I will be putting these links in the description box below. So don't forget to watch these videos because this will help you get started with your MS journey. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be making more videos regarding the MS program, because I'll be making more such videos regarding the roadmap from getting started at the base, that is the exams, and till you reach your destination, that is US. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on that bell icon. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. This was the second video in the roadmap series, as I am covering the topics from giving exams till you get to US. So there will be more videos related to the roadmap series. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you have any doubts regarding anything related to MS in US, you can just put them in the comment section below, or you can get in touch with me on my Instagram handle.